Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Ford Focus ST. First, ensure your driving position is perfect. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for optimal control and visibility. Next, identify the three pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Understand that the clutch disengages the engine from the wheels, allowing for smooth gear changes. Finally, take a moment to understand your dashboard, noting key indicators like the speedometer and tachometer. To shift gears smoothly, always press the clutch pedal completely to the floor with your left foot. Select first gear, then slowly release the clutch while simultaneously applying a small amount of throttle with your right foot. This coordinated movement is crucial for a smooth start. When upshifting, aim to change gears between 2,000 and 3,000 engine revolutions per minute for optimal power delivery and efficiency. Practice makes perfect for seamless transitions. The Focus ST is designed for an exhilarating drive. When approaching corners, brake firmly before the turn, then smoothly apply throttle as you exit, letting the car's excellent chassis do the work. For spirited driving, practice rev matching when downshifting. This involves blipping the throttle to match engine speed with the lower gear, ensuring a smoother transition. Don't forget to engage sport mode for a more aggressive throttle map and enhanced driving dynamics. Proper maintenance is key to enjoying your Focus ST for many years. Regularly check your tire pressure. Maintaining around 35 pounds per square inch is generally recommended for balanced performance and wear. Adhere to the manufacturer's schedule for oil changes and fluid checks to keep the engine running efficiently. Always pay attention to how the car feels and sounds. Addressing any unusual changes quickly can prevent larger issues down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.